In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over an image in Mailchimp. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along inside your own account. Go ahead and log into Mailchimp. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Campaigns. This will show you a list of all your existing campaigns. Find the campaign where you want to place text over an image. On the right side of that campaign's row, you'll see an Edit button. Click that, and Mailchimp will open a full preview of your campaign. On the email preview on the right, click Edit Design to open the editor. Inside the editor, look again at the left-hand panel. You'll see different types of content blocks you can add. Find the image block, then click and drag it into your email layout. Drop it exactly where you want the image with text to appear in your email. With the image block selected, look at the left panel under the content section and click Add. Mailchimp will ask how you want to add your image. You can upload an image from your computer, browse your existing images, or pull one in from Canva. For this example, choose to upload an image from your computer. A file browser window will pop up. Navigate to the image you want to use, select it, and press Enter or click Open. Wait a moment for the image to fully upload and appear in the preview on the right. Once your image is visible, look at the preview and click on the image. Underneath it, you'll see several icons. Click the Edit icon to open the image editor and wait for it to load. On the left side of the image editor, click the text icon. A text field will appear on the image. Type the text you want directly into that field. You can click and drag this text box anywhere on the image to position it exactly where you want. Take a moment to adjust the placement so it's readable and looks good against the background. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save at the top right of the image editor. The pop-up will close and the main editor will reload. Once it finishes, you'll now see your image with the text overlay in place. From here, you can configure any other settings you need on the left panel, such as alignment, links, or additional styling. When you're completely finished, click Save and Exit in the top right corner to save your changes to the campaign.